Hey everyone, I really need some outside perspective on this. Am I the a-hole for dumping my boyfriend and taking legal action after he destroyed my expensive custom keyboard collection? I'm Maya, 28 years old. My absolute passion is building custom mechanical keyboards. I'm not just talking about buying one off the shelf. I source vintage bases, rare switches, custom keycaps, and spend months carefully soldering and modding them. It's incredibly time-consuming and expensive. I recently bought a new condo specifically because it had an extra room that I could dedicate entirely to my hobby workspace. It was perfect. My boyfriend, Daniel, 30 years old, moved in with me a couple of months ago. Almost immediately, he started complaining about my hobby. He'd say it made the place look messy, that I spent too much time in there, or that the room was just clutter. He constantly pushed to turn my dedicated hobby room into a home gym or guest room.
For the rest of the story, please follow the link in the description.